evening, everyone. I think you all would be happy and fine. But nowadays, I am a little bit confused because I'm in a fix what to do or what to not. Because the app from which I used to make conversation, like Skype, now we are not able to get recording on that app. So it is really very tough time for us because I don't know how to get recording and what app can be used in place of Skype. So for last 3 days I am not making any video, but it is also in my mind that I have to not stop anywhere. I have to just do my practices somehow. So that's why though I am doing self conversation, I am talking with myself, but it's not enough because video conversation is also as much valuable, as much crucial as your self talk and audio conversation. So that is why I thought that if there is nothing in front of me that what to do, how to make video, so let's start with solo video. And now I am just here in front of you. Though there is nothing there is nothing f- for what we can talk about, because if we choose any topic, so that time there should be one with whom we can converse, we can get thoughts, and we can get answers. So this is like that. But if we are really interested to do practices, so somehow we have to search our own ways. So that is the reason that I am here. I just want to tell you one thing, that if somebody is not with you, you are not able to make conversation. So how you can do practice? At that time we can do listening. Listening always helps us. It is really, I know that it is a very common thing, and everybody used to say that listen, listen, listen. But how to listen? That time, that is also told many times that we have to listen multiple times. And what to listen, we have to always listen whatever in which we are interested in. So in this way we listen. But after listening, though it is told to you many times that after listening you have to just describe your thoughts, you have to just make your own video, so that you can elaborate your thoughts, whatever you have listened about that. So it is also the way of learning English. And when you listen, after listening that video, you can express your thoughts on paper also in the form of writing. Yes, because writing uh, gives you the way in which you can use your learned vocabulary in perfect way. Because what happened, whenever we learn any vocabulary, that always get registered in our subconscious mind somewhere. And when we write, so that time we just use that vocabulary in our writing session. So it is must, and in this way we come to know that how much vocabulary we know, and how smartly we can use that, how we can use some advanced words and some basic ones. So we always use basic vocabulary during our day to day conversation. But when it comes to advanced one, so knowingly we use that vocabulary. And what happened with me, whenever I just want to use any advanced vocab, so first I just take three or four advanced vocabs and write in front of me, and so that I can use that particular vocab in my writing session. So in this way somewhere we are using our passive vocabulary, and we are using our advanced vocabulary also during our writing session. And when we write, so that vocabulary get registered in our mind. So somewhere whenever we are making any conversation, automatically it comes out from our mouth, and we use it unknowingly, really. And means if you just want to use your vocabulary, your advanced vocabulary or new vocabulary knowingly. So that time you need to write something, and you need to make sentences out of those vocabulary as much as you can. And when you are just using that immersing that vocab in your writing session, so in your real life conversation, that vocabulary you use in very precise way. Yes, that automatically comes in your conversation, because somewhere those vocab are in your mind. And if you have made lots of sentences out of those vocab, so definitely somewhere you are connecting, you are just learning those sentences or those words with the context. So it will become the part of your active memory also. So in this way you can just practice. And another thing is that if you just want to make your conversation without mistake, so what you have to do, first of all you have to create any mistake. Yes, because when you create any mistake, after that you rectify it. And when you rectify it, so that time only you will be able to make your conversation mistakes free. Yes, so it is important, making mistakes are part of learning. First make as many mistakes as you can, and after that rectify it with your efforts. Yes, whatever video you upload, whatever video you are just watching, and yours own one, so that time you will come to know what kind of mistake you have made, and how you can rectify that by giving practice on daily basis. Yeah, so this is the thing only. I hope that within some days I will get any solution regarding my problem that I shared in starting, as I am not able to find recordings on Skype. So really it is difficult to me, because it's not possible to me, it's not possible for me to make videos on laptop because because it is not possible that it should be with everyone, yeah, at every time. But if it comes to mobile is with everyone. So there should be, if you would have any, if you would have any solution of this problem, please text me. If you just love to watch my content, so just text me and get me aware and take me out from this problem, so that I can connect with you and I can make as many conversation as I have been making for so long time. Okay then. So this is the thing only. So I hope that you are just doing great to learn this language. So keep learning and keep watching me. Bye bye.